Vanakkam guys, welcome to Vidya's Healthy Kitchen. Today I'm going to make mixed veg paneer sandwich. Paneer being a great source of protein and calcium, it is essential to include them in your regular diet. So today I'm going to show you a very easy and a tasty paneer sandwich recipe. This can be had for the breakfast or can be given in the tiffin box for the kids to school. So let's get started making this healthy and a simple recipe. Firstly, I have taken few vegetables for the filling. I have here 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot and 1 small piece of broccoli. You can add or skip any vegetable of your own choice. The main step in this recipe is to chop these vegetables very finely. You can either use a knife to chop them fine or you can use a vegetable chopper, which would do the job quickly and finely. So today I am using my vegetable chopper for the same. I have washed and cut the vegetables into big cubes and now I am transferring them into my chopper and I am going to get them chopped. Here I have the vegetables finely chopped and I have transferred them into a bowl. Now to a pan I am adding just about half a tablespoon of oil, and once the oil gets heated I am adding the chopped mixed vegetables. I'm going to saute it for about a minute. Now I'm going to add few spices. I'm adding half a tablespoon of jeeraga podi, that is roasted jeera powder, half a tablespoon of dhania podi, which is coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm going to mix them all well and cook it just for about 2 minutes. Please note, you don't have to completely cook the vegetables here. All these vegetables can be eaten even raw. So just keep them until the spices get mixed well. Now I'm adding 1 cup of grated paneer and the required salt for the recipe. I'm giving them all a good mix. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn. This is entirely optional but gives a nice crunchy taste when added. And finally adding few fresh coriander leaves and giving it a final mix. I kept the vegetables on stove for just about 3 to 4 minutes. Do not keep it for more than that, else you won't get the vegetables crunchy. Now I'm keeping it aside. I have now taken 2 slices of whole wheat bread. I'm chopping off the crust of the bread or the edges. If you're eating it immediately, you can avoid this step. But if you're going to get it packed, especially for kids, it is preferred to chop off the crust, else it might get little hard. But do not throw these bread crust. I have an excellent tip to use them, which I will share towards the end of the video. So please do watch my video till the end to know the excellent tip. Now I'm going to take 2 to 3 full spoons of the filling and I'm going to keep it on one slice. And I'm going to cover it with the other slice and I'm going to press it very gently. Now I have kept my cast iron tawa on the stove. I'm applying little butter on one side of the sandwich and gently placing it on the tawa. I'm applying butter on the other side as well and I'm going to cook till both the sides turn golden brown. The sandwich is cooked well. I'm going to cut it into half. See how colorful the sandwich is looking. You can serve this with your favorite ketchup or any dip. An easy, tasty and a healthy paneer mixed veg sandwich is ready. You can have this as a healthy breakfast or can be given in the tiffin box for the kids to school. Now I'll share my tip of how to use the bread crust without wasting it. I've taken a pan and I'm adding all the bread crust or the edges and I'm going to dry roast them till they become hard. You can check that by breaking it. See, it breaks like a biscuit. At this stage, you can stop roasting and after cooling it, grind them into a coarse powder in your mixer jar. So here you have the breadcrumbs made using the bread crust. This can be used while making cutlets or tikkis. So instead of throwing the bread crust, you can make homemade breadcrumbs that can be used in other recipes. And most importantly, we are not wasting the food. I hope this tip was useful. For more healthy recipes and tips, Please subscribe to my channel. There are many healthy and excellent videos on my channel. The details are given in the description. Till then, take care. Happy cooking!